እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ትምህርት 11ኛ ክፍል የሂስትሪ ትምህርቱን ዩኒት 8 ነው። እዚህ ዩኒት 8 ላይ ፖለቲካል ሶሻል ኤንድ ኢኮኖሚክ ፕሮሰስ ኢን ኢትዮጵያ ፍሮም ሚድ 16 ቱ ሚድ 19th ሴንቸሪ እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ 120 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል የሚሆን ማለት ነው። የዚህ 120 ጥያቄዎች ለዛሬ ፓርት 2 አብረን እንሰራለን። ይህ ቶፒክ ዋናው ዓላማ ምንድነው? ለእናንተ የክፍል የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያግዟቸውን ጥያቄዎች ማዘጋጀት ነው። እነዚህ እዚህ ጋር የምናቀርባቸው ጥያቄዎች ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥና በቀላሉ የምትዘጋጁባቸው ናቸው። እነዚህና ሌሎችንም እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ያልሰራናቸውን የሞዴል ኤግዛሞች ጨምረን በርካታ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይሄ መጽሐፍ ሂስትሪ፣ ጂኦግራፊ እና ኢኮኖሚክስ የተለያዩ መጽሐፎች ናቸው። እነዚህን ከ11ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ለፈተና ዝግጅት በአጭር ጊዜ እንድትዘጋጁባቸው የሚያግዙ መጽሐፎችን በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። አሁን ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንለፍ። 31 which of the following was the earliest of the given states? A Zaguma, B Goma, C Limu Inaria, D Jimma Kaka. C Limu Inaria. So Limu Inaria was built around the 1800 and the first of the states established by the Limu branch of the Mecha Oromo. 32 what was the primary factor leading to the decline of the Gada system in the Gibeon region? A spread of Christianity, B the rise of the powerful Dula war leaders, C the decline of agriculture, D the influence of European colonization. B the rise of powerful Dula or war leaders. So military leaders accumulated wealth through the agriculture, taxation, trade and the other activities which enable them to maintain permanent and powerful armies and replace the Gada system with the monarchical rule. 33 what was the key factor that contributed to the rise of the Gibe monarchies? A the construction of the roads, B the emergence of coffee plantations, C the control of long distance trade routes, D the arrival of the Portuguese. C the control over long distance trade routes. 34 who was the first king of Limuinaria? A Abba Jifar the first, B Abba Mamo, C Abba Gomol the first, D Ancho Jilcha. C Abba Gomol the first. Okay, Abba Gomol the first, known as the Bofo, was the first king of the Limuinaria, ruling from the 1800 to 1825. 35 which of the following Gibe states was first to adopt Islam? A Goma, B Goma, C Jimma Kaka, D Limu Inaria. A Goma. Okay, the Goma was the first Gibe state that adopted for the first time Islam. 36 who established the Jimma Kaka states? A Ancho Chilcha, B Abba Mangal, C Sana or Abba Jifar the first, D Abba Baso. C Sana or Abba Jifar the first. 37 what was the capital of Jimma Kaka? A Hirmata, B Saka, C Wacha, D Asosa. A Hirmata. Okay, the capital of Jimma Kaka was the Hirmata and the state was later known as the Jimma Bajifar. 38. What resource contributed to the rise of the Sheikdoms in the Benishangul Gumuz region? A. Coffee, B. Gold, C. Cotton, D. Salt. Okay, B. Gold. 39. Which was not one of the three major Sheikdoms in the Benishangul Gumuz region? A. Asusa, B. Goba, C. Benishangul, D. Jimma. Okay, D. Jimma. 40. Who was the founder of the Gera state? A. Abba Jafar the first, B. Tulu Gunji, C. Abba Mano, D. Moroda Bakiri. B. Tulu Gunji found the Gera state in the mid-1830s. 41. What was the political system of Nur people based on? A. Centralized monarchy, B. Elected councils, C. Spiritual leaders and ritual experts, D. Military rule. C. Spiritual leaders and ritual experts. 42. Which was the following Lika politics was found in the Bakiri Godana? A. Lika Nakamti, B. Lika Kalam, C. Give, D. Anewa. A. Lika Nakamti. Lika Nakamti unified several Lika families found in the political in Wallaga. Okay. 43. Who succeeded the Moroda Bakari as the ruler of the Lika Nakamti? A. Abba Jafar the second, B. Abba Rago, C. Kamsa Moroda, D. Joti Tulu. C. Kamsa Moroda succeeded his father Moroda Bakiri in 1889. Okay. 44. What was the primary economic activity of the Majing people of Gambella? A. Pastoralism, B. Fishing, C. Shifting cultivation with hunting and gathering, D. Gold mining. C. Shifting cultivation and with hunting and gathering. 45. What was the title of the village headman in the Enewa society? A. Moti, B. Abba Dula, C. Kawari, D. Konor Tang. C. Kiwari. Okay, Kiwari was the village headman in the Enewa administration system, ruling alongside the Nia or noble. 46. Which of the following was the immediate successor of the Imam Muhammad ibn Imran al-Ghazi? A. Emir Ali Daud, B. Emir Nur ibn al-Wazir, C. Muhammad Raf Pasha, D. Sultan Muhammad Jasa. B. Emir Nur ibn al-Wazir. 47. Why did the sultans of the Adal move their political center from Harar to Ausa in 1577? A. The pressure of the advancing Barantu Oromo, B. The expansion of the Ottoman Empire, C. The rise of the European colonial powers, D. Harar's declining trade significance. A. The pressure of advancing Bantu Oromo. 48. What was the primary economic role of Oromo people around Harar? A. Livestock trading, B. Grain and fruits production, C. Handcraft manufacturing, D. Fishing and salt trading. B. grain fruit production. Okay, so the Oromo in the fertile regions surrounding the Harar produced grain, fruit and vegetables, contributing to the economic interactions in the region. 49. What was the major reason for Harar's economic prosperity in the 17th and 18th century? A. The trade routes linking Zaila and Berbera to Ethiopia's interior. B. The discovery of gold mines in the region. C. The establishment of European trade posts in Harar. D. The conquest of surrounding Somali and Afar lands. Okay. A. Trade routes linking Zaila and Berbera to Ethiopia's interior. 50. Which of the following was not a major factor in the interdependence of Pharaoh, Oromo, Somali, and Afar people? A. Economic trade. B. Marriage relations. C. Shared Christian beliefs. D. Islamic culture. C. Shared Christian beliefs. Okay. So the primary unifying factor were trade, marriage relations, and Islam, which played a crucial role in the regional integration. 51. What role did the Afocha institution play in the Harari society? A. It managed long-distance trade networks. B. It served as self-help association, disputes resolution system. C. It organized military campaign against the Oromo. D. It controlled Harar's Islamic learning centers. B. It served as self-help association and dispute resolution system. 52. What was the name of the only European who managed the Inter-Harar in 1855? A. James Bruce. B. Samuel Baker. C. Henry Stanley. D. Richard Burton. Okay, D. Richard Burton. Okay, Richard Burton distinguishes the Arab British explorer stayed in the Harar, okay, for 10 days and later revealed its wealth and strategic importance to the outside world. 53. How did the Egyptians came to occupy Harar between 1875 and 1885? A. Through treaty signed with the Emir of Harar. B. They defeating the Harar force in battle. C. Due to Richard Burton's report on Harar wealth. D. By forming an alliance with Oromo and Somali groups. B. By defeating the Harar force in the battle. 54. What was the central political entity of the Afar people? A. Hausa. B. Rayoto. C. Tajura. D. Gobad. A. Hausa. So the emirate of Hausa was the leading Afar state and the other Afar sultanates recognized its authority. 55. Which Afar institution served as a traditional court system? A. Afocha. B. Bakabonto. C. Shir. D. Gada. Okay, B. Makabonto. Okay, Makabonto was the council of judges or Makaban that settled dispute according to the Afar customs. 56. What was the main economic activity of the Afar people? A. Agricultural farming. B. Fishing in the Awash River. C. Pastoralism and trade. D. Mining and salt production. C. Pastoralism and trade. 57 what was the historical significance of Tajura in the Afar region? A. It was the religious center of the Afar people. B. It was a key trade hub connecting the region to the outside world. C. It served as the military headquarters of the Afar Sultanate. D. It was the first capital of the Sultanate of Ifat. B. It was a key trade hub connecting the region to the outside world. 58. Which extinct people were believed to have lived in the Ogaden region before the Somalis? A. Walasma. B. Beja. C. Gafat. D. Harla. Okay, D. Harla. So the Harla people related to both the Somali and the Harar once inhabited the Ogaden region, living behind stone-built ruins. 59. What was the name of the Somali indigenous governing system? A. Shur. B. Afuchat. C. Makabonto. D. Gada. A. Shir. Okay, Shir was the council of the elder responsible for the decision. Okay, the decision making process. 60. How did Islam spread among the Somali people? A. Through the military campaigns of the Adal Sultanates. B. Through the Muslim merchants who settled in the market centers. C. Through Ottoman missionaries from the Red Sea region. D. Through the influence of Christian kingdoms. B. Through the merchants who settled in the market center. Okay, so Islam spread among the Somali mainly due to the merchants. Okay, the merchants who settled around the trade centers, facilitating religious and cultural exchanges. Okay, የኛው መጨረሻው ጥያቄ ነው 60ኛው ማለት ነው። ለፓርት 2 ፓርት 3 በሚቀጥለው ይዘን እንቀርባለን። እስካሁን ባሉ ጥያቄዎችና ሌሎች አስተያየቶች ካሉ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ። እነዚህና ሌሎችን በርካታ ጥያቄዎች ከዩኒት 1 እስከ መጨረሻው ያለውን መጽሐፉን በጥያቄ መልክ እንደዚሁ አዘጋጅተናል ማለት ነው። መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል፣ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ። ይሄ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ በርካታ ጥያቄዎችን ከነ መልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር ያዘ ሂስትሪ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ሌሎች መጽሐፎች ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ለኢንትራንስ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለክፍላቸው የፈተና ዝግጅት የሚያግዙ መጽሐፎች ናቸው። እነዚህ መጽሐፎች በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥና በቀላሉ ለፈተና እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዙ ናቸው። እነዚህን መጽሐፎች በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር ባሉት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰቡ ነው። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።